how they keep this. We're in the lobby of the Twilight.
So tell me about the hotel.
The hotel was built well, the attraction was opened in 1994 with the opening of Sunset Boulevard. Your Doom. There used to be something right there that said Evil Tower Your Doom at the bottom. Check it out.
Why'd they take it down?
I don't know, they just didn't want it there anymore. There used to be the Evil Tower Your Doom. A few of the props in this building are actually from from episodes of the Twilight Zone. Many of the props in this building are from
There's a TV right there.
That's what you do when it's on.
Rod Serling. I like Rod Serling.
This drawer with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. Like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story on the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
To our valued guests, for your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children.
When story night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator. That door's opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. Make sure you just
How'd you like it, Becca?
Good.
You liked it?
Honey,
That's cool.